Alright, so I'm gonna need some help. I was looking for some keycaps for my keyboard that I have here. But I don't know what to get. I'm looking for ones that I can have, like, mix and matched colors. So say I wanted AS and numpad 5 and 6 as different colors than the rest of the keyboard or something like that. What would y'all recommend? I'm taking to YouTube because I can't find out what I could get from, like, Amazon and Google and stuff like that. So I hope people can help me in the comments. Sorry for the background noise.